Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that the meme coins are crazy right now. So we have to pay attention to meme coins as well, and that means that retail is getting back as well, the retail investors. Then we have, of course, a new high for this bull market for Bitcoin. Today, Bitcoin went above 65,500 US dollar. Then another important thing in comparison, that the first gold ETF took 2 years to hit 10 billion US dollar, and this Bitcoin ETF, which I'm going to tell you in a second, did it in less than 2 months. And also I'm going to talk about that we have new all-time high, Bitcoin all-time high in euros as well, which shows that euro is weaker than the dollar, but also we have it in, pound, British pound. And yeah, a lot of interesting things in today's video, so jam-packed episode. And don't forget, every single day I'm making you fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain related videos here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So if that's important for you, then definitely subscribe to this YouTube channel and also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. And now let's do it. And when we're looking at the prices, we can see Bitcoin is actually up 5% in the last 24 hours. You know why is this 5% important? Because about 5-6% needed to get to all-time high from where we are right now, roughly speaking. So this is significant, and look, in 7 days, 27%. That is crazy. Ethereum up about 3% in the last 24 hours. So that makes Ethereum price right now exactly 3,500 US dollar. Bitcoin 64,987. But today, as I just mentioned, we have seen Bitcoin above 65,000 US dollar. When we're looking at the top gainers, we see meme coins still doing pretty well. Bonk 31% up, Pepe 29% up, Phantom 27% up. When we're looking at the top three, among the losers, we have Shay down 5%, Bitcoin Cash down now 3.5ish, and Bitcoin SV down about 5%. This should be other way around, and also this one. Doesn't matter. Yeah, probably things happening just simply too fast. And yeah, when we're looking at here the Bitcoin candlestick chart, you can see here on the daily that we had another move upwards. And today the highest when I'm recording this video was 65,614 US dollar. And yeah, look at this here, this measure. Where we were right here, just not long ago, another 5% is needed, and we are Bitcoin all-time high. That all-time high, which Bitcoin made back in November 2021. And if you remember what happened when we crossed Bitcoin all-time high in the previous times, for example, in December 2020, after Bitcoin went up crazy, and the altcoin market as well. So the strange situation is, the only thing is that we are before the halving, and this never ever happened before the halving. But we're going to watch every single day and see what's going to happen. But what went up even better than Bitcoin, much better than Bitcoin, were the meme coins. So look at this, Pepe, Flocky, Bonk, and other meme coins recorded 3,000% surge in weekly volume. And this is actually crazy how meme coins went up. Look, here I'm looking at the category meme coin, and you can see it for yourself that just when we're looking at the top 100 here, right? That means they are among the top 100 when it comes to market cap, when we're measuring, the cryptocurrencies. And we have here, look, on the 75th place, Flocky went up 314%. Dogwit Head went up 360%. Bonk 182%. Pepe 415%. Shiba Inu 174%. And even Doge, which is the biggest when it comes to market cap, went up 90% in 7 days, in a week. And some of them, look, even today, Pepe 35% up, and some others also doing pretty well. When we scroll down, yeah, we can see them. But actually, these are now the top meme coins in the top 100 actually, and doing extremely well. And it also means that retail is getting back, because the big guys, who buy Bitcoin, the big investors, they want to invest in meme coins. So these are usually the retail investors, those who also would like to make major gains, and they do know that they cannot make it from Bitcoin. Why Bitcoin was up a couple of percent and doing extremely well in its own category. But look at these numbers. These numbers can make life-changing games, but please be aware of the risk of meme coins, because meme coins are the extreme risk category. I would put them definitely there. So I won't put in any meme coin, I personally, more than 0.5% of my portfolio or something like that, because it's very, very risky. But if it goes well and it goes up significantly, then it could outperform many of your old coins, where actually others got like even 1% of your portfolio. And don't forget to take profit at some points. And not financial advice, but I also let them ride, but taking profits on the way up, because meme coins, you never know. But when retail arrives, meme coins are hot in this bull market, so they can do extremely well, doing so far at least. Okay. Next thing I would like to talk about is, actually I have talked about it already, so I won't move it to another separated part, that Bitcoin is right now up 65%. Sorry, I was thinking the other way. So is right now above 65,000 US dollar, and only 6%, as I just showed you, to Bitcoin all-time high, and this is crazy. Okay, but I have talked about it already. Now let's move to the next topic. The next topic is that actually what took gold ETF for 2 years, one Bitcoin spot ETF did it in less than 2 months. So when we're talking about spot ETFs right now, Bitcoin is definitely the hottest. And look at this comparison, another one compared to gold. The first gold ETF took 2 years to hit 10 billion US dollar. This Bitcoin ETF, and now we are talking about BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust, made this in less than 2 months, more be precise, around 39 trading days since it launched, hit 10 billion US dollar. And this is kind of significant. And look at this one here. This is here the lighter blue is the Bitcoin spot ETF, and this is the gold one. That's how hot now Bitcoin ETF is, and the big guys are just accumulating and accumulating. Right. Next topic. The next topic is that we have another all-time high when we're talking about now big currencies. So in the past it was Argentina has a Bitcoin all-time high. Hooray! But the peso is like so weak. But now the euro made its all-time high as well. So when we're measuring Bitcoin in euros, then we had our all-time high. So Bitcoin has passed a new all-time high against the euro, breaking the value 60,000 euros for the first time in history. Another one, we have the British pound, also a new all-time high. So these are strong currencies, but you can see that dollar is actually stronger than these guys. And another interesting information, because now we're talking about fiat, how fiat is getting weaker and weaker. And look at this, the US national debt is rising by 1 trillion US dollar about every 100 days. And how that looks like at the moment? Look, here in the left corner, you see this 34 trillion US dollar, more than that. And this number, actually GDP is 27, right, here. And look at that number is raising by 1 trillion every 100 days. Do the math. So this is how crazy this situation is right now. And this is why very important to invest your fiat money. You do your own homework, right? So you invest in whatever you want. But if you just keep it under your pillow, then just imagine what's going to happen to it. The value of it is evaporating. Some of those fiat currencies evaporate sooner, some later, like US dollar is pretty much the strongest. But also we do know how the inflation looks there. So yeah, the value of it's less and less. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single day, I'm making you this fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain related videos here on Blockchain Bloom. Longer videos, short videos. The point is to keep you up to date in crypto. So if you would like to keep yourself up to date, definitely subscribe to this YouTube channel. And yeah, hit the like button if you like this kind of content. And see you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.